Hello my friends and welcome back. In this section, we'll start learning about a very interesting topic called Android Jetpack. Jetpack is a suite of libraries to help developers follow best practices, reduce boilerplate code, and write code that works consistently across Android versions and devices so that developers can focus on the code they care about. Jetpack is a set of libraries and tools provided by Google to help developers build high-quality Android applications more efficiently. Jetpack libraries offer various components and functionalities that simplify common tasks such as UI development, data storage, navigation, and more. Why we need to use Android Jetpack? Android Jetpack helps solve major problems such as managing activity life cycles, configuration changes, and preventing memory leaks. Let's learn about Jetpack components. Android Jetpack components bring together the existing library and architecture components and define them into four categories. The first one is the architecture, the second one is the user interface, the third one is foundation, and the last is the behavior. The architecture component of Jetpack includes 8 separate libraries and tools and that help you architecture your app and manage the data used by and showed in the application. Most of these libraries are already exist. However, there are new libraries like WorkManager, navigation, paging, and more. We'll learn about these libraries in details in the next videos. The foundation area of Jetpack includes core system components, Kotlin extensions, and testing libraries. This includes the AppCompat library, which you've probably been using for a while, and the new Kotlin KTX extension library for easier development in Kotlin. When we move to Kotlin section, we need to use the foundation in many of our applications. The behavior of Jetpack consists of libraries that help you interact with your user through the UI, including using video or audio. It consists of many components such as media, permissions, downloading, notifications, sharing, and the new slice library. The user interface. Most of the UI libraries in Jetpack are built on existing code. They include animations, palettes, emojis, Android Auto, fragments, layoutsware, and TV. All of the libraries you love to work upon can be found here in the Android Jetpack packages, as well as several new ones. You were introduced to the 4 main parts of the Jetpack in this video: architecture, foundation, UI, and behavior. In the next videos, we'll deep dive into each of these components and learn about this amazing Jetpack